Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how I got this DIY mirror done. This is the before and I'll show you after, so if you want to know how I got it done, just keep on watching. The first thing you'll need is a cover stain primer. I use this primer because I didn't want to sand the wood, and I'll put this on with a foam brush. And then the next thing you'll need is blue painter's tape. Also a flathead screwdriver because I didn't know how to open the paint. Now I'm just laying down a few pieces of newspaper and I'm laying the mirror right on top. Now I'm going to add some more newspaper to the top of the mirror so I won't get any paint on top of it. First step of the painting process, I'm using the primer cover stain and I am putting on 3 coats of this. This is just so I can skip the sanding part. I feel like the sanding part was too messy. So I'm just going to put 3 layers and we're going to wait like an hour in between to make sure it's completely dry. For this step, after the primer is already dried, I am adding the actual paint, and I listed all the items that I used in the description box below. For the last step, I'm just going to add this clear satin interior spray. It's basically a setting spray for your paint. Now that we're done with painting, we're going to add our lights. These are the lighting ever lights from Amazon. This link is in the description below. This is how it looks before I install it. It's on like this wheel. This is the plug that you'll need to plug it in to turn the light on, and I believe this is an extender, and here is the user's manual. So here is where I start. I'm going to start on the bottom. One of the sides of the tape is sticky, so it is super easy to apply. First I'm going to pull it out just to measure it, and I'm going to take the sticky adhesive off just so I can attach it to the wood. This is the last part of the mirror, so I'm just attaching it to the beginning, and I cut it off so it can fit perfectly. And as you can see, this is a pretty normal size mirror. I do have a lot of LED lights left. And this is the finished look, guys. This came out exactly how I wanted it to. It was super easy and affordable. So if you have something like this and you want to get it done, you can totally do it. Everything is super affordable. All I did was add the green garlands to it, and the link is in the description. They were super cheap. And I hope you guys liked watching this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.